So student, as I have taught yesterday about polar form, organ plane and polar form that. So this is called the organ plane, that the coordinate plane in which complex number can represent, that is called the organ plane that. And about the polar form, that x polar form in that in right in trigonometrical form that. So x equal to what was base upon hypo, that was cos theta equal to base upon hypo x upon r. X is the distance OM and y is the side PM. So coordinate written here xy. This is for x plus iota y, and this was the length of OP, which is equal to, taken the r, which is equal to modulus of z, and modulus of z what was that, under root x square plus y square. So here as I taught about polar form, x upon r equal to cos theta, x equal to r cos theta. And second was x upon r means base upon hypo is equal to cos theta, height upon hypo, it means the y upon r equal to sin theta, or y equal to r sin theta, that. Yeah. So what will be coordinate of P in trigonometric form, that it will be r cos theta for x, and here r sin theta. We can write also that r cos theta and r sin theta will be coordinate of this P. So student, how we can represent that? Z is equal to x means that r cos theta, so we have to write r cos theta here. X is equal to r cos theta plus y, what was that? I r sin theta. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So if take the common r, so what will be here? Cos theta plus I sin theta. So what was this, that? This was that polar form that already I have taught you. So you know about that. So student, on the basis of this, something more I want to discuss. So see, what is the theta? What is the theta? Theta is called that argument of complex number, argument of z. R we can say amplitude of z. Okay? This argument of z depend on the quadrant. This theta depend on quadrant. There are 4 quadrant: first, second, third, fourth. What was the principal value of the theta? Was that greater than minus pi and less or equal to pi. It means theta will be between minus pi to pi. This would be satisfied. Now we have to measure in positive direction theta, this direction. Suppose this is the here, there. So okay, here how can you find tan theta? See, to find the argument, either you can find out the separate value cos theta, sin theta, or direct you can find tan theta. Tan theta equal to, what will be here? Height upon base, y upon x. But you have to make sure that this should be always positive. We have to consider this value will be always positive. So tan theta is equal to y upon x. So here no doubt that tan theta is equal to y upon x. But if suppose P is in second quadrant, if P is in second quadrant, so what will be? This will be theta. Theta, what is that? Argument of complex number. What is argument? That angle form with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, means positive direction that. So this will be theta that. यह थीटा आपका होगा, राइट. सपोज दिस इज द अल्फा है, तो हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ पर tan अल्फा निकाल लेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? दिस इज द y, दिस इज द x. व्हाट विल बी y अपॉन x. tan अल्फा दैट इज इक्वल टू हाइट अपॉन बेस, सो दैट विल बी पॉजिटिव. देन टू फाइंड द थीटा व्हाट हैव टू डू? पाई माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू, हमको थीटा निकालना जो है, तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई माइनस अल्फा. थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई माइनस अल्फा दैट. ठीक है, दैट विल बी पॉजिटिव. लेकिन इफ सपोज दिस P केम इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तीसरे में है. इफ P इज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, दिस इज x एक्सिस, दिस इज द y एक्सिस. तो इफ इट इज इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तीसरे में है, और अगर इसको हम अल्फा कंसिडर कर लें, दिस विल बी अल्फा. सो व्हाट एंगल वी हैव टू टेक? सी इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तीसरे क्वाड्रेंट में क्या हो गया? दिस विल बी योर थीटा शुड बी satisfy greater than minus pi less or equal to pi, but it is not satisfy that. तो हमको क्या करेंगे? एंगल हम निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में मेजर करेंगे. व्हाट विल बी दिस विल बी माइनस थीटा. यह थीटा निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? फर्स्ट विल फाइंड दैट अल्फा. प्रीवियस मेथड से tan अल्फा निकाल लेंगे. अल्फा वैल्यू निकालने के बाद हमको थीटा निकालना है, तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस पाई माइनस अल्फा हो जाएगा. ये निगेटिव हमें लेना है. ठीक है, वी हैव टू टेक इन निगेटिव दैट. तो अल्फा हम निकाल लेंगे, तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस पाई माइनस अल्फा भी का दिस इज द माइनस थीटा. ये व्हाट इज द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में निगेटिव एंगल हम ले रहे हैं जो है. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस. इफ P इज हियर, अगर P यहाँ है, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा जो है, ये माइनस थीटा अल्फा बोथ आर इक्वल, मीन दैट आपको थीटा डायरेक्ट यहाँ पर निकाल लेना, बट यू हैव टू पुट इन द नेगेटिव वैल्यू दैट. आपको यहाँ थीटा निकाल करके आप क्या लिखेंगे? नेगेटिव वैल्यू लिखेंगे. ठीक है, क्लियर. सो आर्गूमेंट डिपेंड ऑन द क्वाड्रेंट, कि किस क्वाड्रेंट में लाइज करता है. प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू थीटा का याद होना चाहिए, माइनस पाई टू पाई दैट. ठीक है. सो लेट टेक वन क्वेश्चन टू डिस्कस about if a point lies in the quadrant. At one point I am taking that one example as a from the exercise. Yes student, this is the question taken from the example exercise. Convert the following complex number is in polar form and represent them in organoid plane. That we have to convert into polar form and represent them in organoid plane. That. So I am taking the first part question, minus 1 plus I root 3. Just I told that before, your that angle, argument angle depend on the quadrant. That कब हमको पॉजिटिव लेना, कब हमको नेगेटिव लेना है. So let's see that. Here x is equal to minus 1. If we compare x plus I, so x is equal to minus 1 and y equal to root 3. Yes, if we draw here, this is x axis and this is y axis. So minus 1 will be here. Suppose that this is the 1, this is the 2, 1, 2. Suppose that, and y axis root 3 taken that. So suppose your point is here, that your point is here, this is P, yeah, this is up to here, what is root 3. We have to find first this argument angle, ये थीटा हमको निकालना है. yeah, this suppose that अल्फा है. to find the theta, ये आपका थीटा है. to find the argument angle, what will do? Pi minus alpha, that will be theta. So how can you find? This is the 1, this is the minus 1, mean that left side. So सपोज दैट दिस इज 1, यहाँ तक 1 है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज √3. So what will be tan alpha? Tan alpha will be equal to √3 upon 1. Height upon base √3 upon 1. It means the √3. So for what value this satisfy? Alpha is equal to 5 upon 3. क्योंकि tan alpha is equal to √3, that will be satisfy for 60 degree. It means that pi upon 3 for the radian. So alpha is equal to pi by 3 came. We have to find the theta. So what will be theta? Theta is equal to pi minus alpha. That will be equal to pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to 2 pi by 3. So we found theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Right? Argument angle came there. So to any complex number, if you have to represent in polar forms, we have to require two things. Number one, r, and number second, that theta. So theta came 2 pi by 3, but to find r value already you know, that is under root of mod z, that is under root x square plus y square. X value -1, y value √3. So we can write here -1 whole square plus √3 whole square, that will be equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4, and square root of 4, what will be 2. So r we found 2 and argument angle theta we found 2 pi by 3. So we have to put this in the polar form. That as you know, for the polar form, now remove this. For the polar form, as you know, z equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. Yes, so we have to write the r value 2 here. So z equal to 2 and cos theta, what will be here? Cos 2 pi by 3 plus iota sin 2 pi by 3. This is in the polar form, that 2 cos 2 pi by 3 plus iota sin 2 pi by 3. First part. Second, asking that represent on the organt plane, that so r is equal to, you have to write here 2, you have to write here 2, and this p what will be -1 √3. So your this is the -1 plus I √3. So this is the organt plane, that in this plane we represented this complex number, that by this way, that p is the point whose coordinate is -1 √3. p point है जिसका coordinate -1 √3 है, ठीक है। alpha how much came that? Alpha was came that pi by 3. This is the method. One more part having that -1 minus I √3. That let's see about this, what will be that. Same process we have to apply for that also, that as here. One thing more, that z is equal to, I taken 2 cos 2 pi by 3 and plus iota sin 2 pi by 3. Here why 2 pi by 3 positive taken? That because our theta that was this theta is the 2 pi by 3, that is the theta should be between -pi to pi. So this satisfy this principal value. So we can write, we have to write this is the positive. Now for this, if you see, so this will become negative. How? If for second x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -√3, both are the minus. If x y value both are minus, so in which quadrant this will be? This will be go in third quadrant. तीसरे में ये दोनों पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव होगा. तो अगर हम थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट की बात करें, दिस इज द माइनस हियर 1, सपोज दैट, एंड दिस इज सपोज दैट -√3. सो सपोज योर पॉइंट इज पी हियर, यहाँ पर है, यस, हियर दिस विल बी सपोज अल्फा, या P -1 minus root 3 -1 minus root 3 p. We have to this convert into polar form that. So to convert into polar form, we have to require the r and argument angle that. To find the r, what will be r equal to under root x square plus y square. So that will be equal to under root x value minus 1 whole square plus minus root 3 whole square. That also will come that 4 that is equal to 2. r भी यहाँ r2 यहाँ भी आ गया. Now we have to find this alpha. tan alpha equal to modulus of जैसे मैं बताया y upon x height upon base. So if you see यहाँ पर हम 1 मान लेते हैं. दिस इज द -1, यहाँ से -1 है. एंड अप टू हियर हाउ मच -√3. ये -√3 है. So p coordinate will be -1 -√3 that. To find alpha again here height upon base, what will be that? -√3, that will be positive. So that will be -√3 upon 1, that is equal to modulus √3 upon 1, that is equal to √3. मीन दैट यहाँ पर भी tan alpha आपका √3 आया. किस वैल्यू के लिए सेटिस्फाई करता है? that will be satisfy for the 60 degree. So we can write alpha is equal to pi upon 3. Here also came alpha is equal to pi by 3. But what will be our argument angle? Our argument angle will be this. इधर से होगा. क्यों? Argument angle will be here because this is in the third quadrant that, and does not satisfy theta is equal to minus pi to pi. So here what will be theta? Minus theta will be that, because this is the we have to measure the angle opposite direction, that clockwise direction. So to find the theta, हमें थीटा निकालना है. थीटा इज इक्वल टू पूरा कितना होगा यहाँ से लेकर के पाई, पाई में से अल्फा निकालने हैं, पाई माइनस अल्फा. लेकिन ये थीटा कैसा होगा? हाउ विच टाइप विल बी? नेगेटिव विल बी दैट. सो वी कैन से थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस पाई वैल्यू पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3. So what will be here? Theta is equal to minus 2 pi by 3. So this value came the negative. So r found and theta found. r2 and theta is the argument angle is minus 2 pi by 3. So we have to put this in polar form that. So for the polar form that, as you know, z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. R value what you have to take that? 2 here already found that. So right here z is equal to 2, then cos minus 2 pi by 3 plus iota sin minus 2 pi by 3 that. Yeah, this is in the polar form. This is in the polar form that. Now we have to represent on the argand plane that. So point -1 minus √3. This value what will be? OP value, that is the 2. This represent that -1 minus √3 iota. So this is also represented on the argand plane that. So student, this was the method to find the question to convert into the polar form that. I hope that the concept is clear that you will take some more question to find out that. Thanks all of you.